Today we will be talking about the good period in 2022 from 14th April to 12th July 2022. It has been observed in the past that whenever Jupiter and Saturn they are conjunct, that's the time for big transformation in the globe. And we have seen that in the year 2019 when Saturn and Jupiter were conjunct in Sagittarius, we had the coronavirus. And then again Saturn and Jupiter conjunct in Capricorn. And then Jupiter went in Aquarius and it came back in Capricorn and met Saturn. That was the most tragic transit. Now, it has been observed that whenever Jupiter and Saturn, when Jupiter overtakes Saturn and is placed well, then that is the time for development in the globe. For the simple reason that Saturn will aspect a sign by 10th aspect, a particular sign, and Jupiter will aspect the same sign by strong 9th aspect. So in the present coming scenario, between 14th April to 12th July, Saturn will aspect, when Saturn will ingress in Aquarius on the 29th April 2022, it will aspect the sign Scorpio, the 8th house of the natural zodiac. And Jupiter will aspect this sign Scorpio by the 9th strong aspect. So there will be progress. There will be progress, development in the infrastructure, and 8th house is the house of hidden things. So hidden things, natural, in the natural zodiac, it is the 8th house. So a lot of innovations will be made. So there will be infrastructure development. So that is the time. It's a good time for 109 days. If you take the transit of Jupiter from the 14th April, it will be good. But unfortunately, after 12th of July, Saturn will come back in Capricorn, the same sign when we had trouble. So these two planets should not be placed in the sign Capricorn because the conjunction had taken place in Capricorn. So Saturn will leave this sign on the 29th April 2023. That's a separate thing. But what we are talking right now is for 109 days. So the first part of the year 2022 is a rough patch of 104 days. My dear friends, I can't control the negative things. All negative predictions have been made, but just for a change, let me tell you that after a bad night, we have a bright day after 104 days for 109 days. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share. The stock and financial market will also improve. There will be infrastructure development, economy development. Everything will be there, but for a short span of time. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that do not get depressed. The time after 104 days would be good, definitely good. And if not 104 days, then at least from the 29th April 2022, things will be better because Saturn will leave the sign Capricorn. And unfortunately, what has happened during this transit of conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter, Rahu and Ketu were in the signs, the dual signs, the common signs. It is not good for the transit of Rahu and Ketu in the signs Gemini and Sagittarius, and then in the sign Taurus and Scorpio. And after they leave this sign, Ketu will come in Libra and Rahu will come in Aries. So friends, and that is the time when the virus will disappear after there is exchange of nakshatras between Rahu and Ketu on the 8th February 2023. So friends, we have a bright future ahead. Don't worry. Don't get depressed. We have definitely a bright day ahead after a bad night. So friends, take care of yourself, be alert, all the best, and thank you for listening to me. Have a good day.